right, exciting news. I just got an incredible package from Clover Leaf Puzzles. The new attempt at a speed icosaix. I'm so excited. Let's just jump right into it. So this is how I got it. I've already opened this and gone through the packaging. So look at that. Oh my gosh. It's a wonderful thing to hold. She sent it with, it was in a bag, like a fleece bag. It's a little bit tight for it, but that's okay. And also, if you get one of these, look for the spare parts bag. It was wrapped up in the packaging. Some little internal pedals there. Okay. But this is a really momentous occasion. This is incredible. I know a lot of work went into the color scheme. All these colors look so good. They look so different. Well, yeah. Let's see. Let's do some first turns. When they're aligned, I've already tried this. When they're aligned, it turns really well. But they're not all aligned yet because I haven't done turns on every face yet. Oh yeah, these browns are going to look good against each other. You can tell those apart easy. Oh, wait. Counterclockwise too. Let's see. I think all these faces just need to warm up. Let's get a few more. Let's make sure all the nearby faces are aligned. You can see little pedal pieces down in here. Looks like they're where they're supposed to be. Okay. Turn that. See, that feels really good. There's some ridges on here. They're supposed to be for holding onto the puzzle, kind of like, whoa. Kind of like on this puzzle here, the Diane Megaminx. Honestly, I helped give the idea for these, but you're holding on to it so well, like there's not really, I don't know that they're actually going to help these ridges. It's a nice idea, but I think it's just, you know, a convex piece. It's kind of hard to turn by nature. Let's see. All right, I don't know any algorithms for this. I don't know how to solve it. I don't know what I'm going to do. Ooh, let's see if we can jumble it. And what the jumbling moves are. Something like that. Might be risky to try jumbling it before I've got it really worked in. Again, look, counterclockwise and clockwise. Ooh, I like this, the brown and pink. Pink and turquoise is always wonderful. Got your green, white, red. I'm going to keep working with this. This really is early days for this, so I know I'm struggling to get pieces to turn, but I think this whole thing needs a little bit of time, needs a little bit of a light touch. Worn in, maybe set up. I don't know how much lubrication is going to work. There's a lot of contact area in here, so we'll see. But, I mean, come on, look at that. Ooh, let's do one of these. Oh yeah, Rubik's Cube. Look at that. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much to Clover Puzzles. This is incredible. Hit her up on Discord. Puzzle Maker server, FTO server, probably all the other servers. No, see, this is my fault for not holding it exactly right, but it can be learned. I can feel more, the more I turn it, the more I hold it, I can feel more of how my grip's gonna need to be. The weight's good. It's like heavy for a puzzle, but like it feels about right for how it looks, like with all the how many pieces there are and the size. I mean, come on, you can just easily hold that in any grip you want with one hand. I think this has a ton of potential. I'm so excited to give it a solve. I'm just gonna keep turning it just all night. I'm gonna keep finding faces that'll turn, and that'll make it easier for the next face. Maybe a solve video later, maybe an update. Once I, like I say, once it's worked in, maybe get a little lube in there. But thanks. Bye.